Hello, I'm Creative Bobby, educating and entertaining through logo design. In this video, I am going to use Adobe Illustrator, my program of choice, to show you how you can use simple shapes to create some simple representations of various sports. Now with the football, as I've used before in previous logos that I've done using a football, the ellipse tool, and then you use the anchor point tool to actually click on the anchor points on either side, and then you turn that ellipse very quickly turns into a football type shape. And then from there, once you have the general shape, then it's all about what kind of football do you want to design, how do you want to color it, what details do you want to add to it. It's just all about customization at that point. But the general shape of a football is pretty simple and can be very quickly made in Adobe Illustrator. You know, certain subtleties like a college football is different than a professional football. What colors do you want to use? How do you want to colorize it? All that goes into it, and you can get a very good looking result with a very simple process. Now with hockey, typically when you associate something with hockey, you're thinking about the hockey stick and the puck. So a lot of logos have like the hockey stick, like two hockey sticks crossing each other. I actually utilized that in my Parks and Recreation inspired hockey video where I do the Haverford Cool Blasters. Be sure to check that video out. But yeah, it's basically, with all of this, it's about how do you use simple shapes? What's the quickest way to get to something that visually represents a sport? So you have the stick piece, and then I used a curved rectangle and then kind of combined those two, adjusted some things, looked at the angles, and yeah, pretty much came to the conclusion that it looks like a hockey stick. And then I did the cross hockey sticks because I plan to put the hockey puck in the middle. Now with the hockey puck, it's very simple, where it's two ellipses and you position them, and then you use a rectangle to combine them. Then I kind of use the offset path tool on the top to create a new path that allowed me to cut to where I have that space, so it really looks like a hockey puck. Now, before we continue, I want to make sure that you like this video, share this video with your people, and make sure that you are subscribed. Let me know in the comment section down below, what is your favorite sport to watch? Now, with the boxing, it's basically, the boxing gloves and the boxing ring. So with the boxing gloves, I'm using curved rectangles to represent the boxing glove. So it's very fascinating that in Illustrator, as long as you position the shapes in a certain way and you have certain overlaps in certain areas, you can get your point across. So once I have the general shape, then it's about the letters, adding the little gold to represent the Everlast or whatever brand would be on the cuff of the glove, and then slightly tilting the thumb part of the glove, just for some anatomical accuracy. And with the ring again, I have the diamond shape, and then I just have the diamond shape and then multiply those. So with the diamond shape, you have one part being the mat, and then another part being the base of it, and then you have the multiples where you just flip from fill to stroke, and then those are the ring ropes. And then you have the ring posts, and you just position those, and then you manipulate those shapes to where it looks like a ring. And then at the end, I end up duplicating one of the boxing gloves, and then kind of using a blue color, so you have the blue corner, red corner, and the ring in the middle. Now with basketball, I've done things with basketball before. I even have done some brands that utilize basketballs, but the basketball is a really simple. Like most of these are simple, but this one's even simpler than that. So you have the 3 circles there, and I'm not trying to make the Audi logo, but the center already looks kind of like a baseball, and it's just that simple. Now, when you add the lines that are going up, down, left, and right, that's where you get the basketball. And I actually discovered something interesting where I actually selected everything and then used the shape builder and then made the shapes on either end and then deleted them. And then it instantly gave me the proportions and the shape of a basketball that I wanted. And then I kind of played around with color. And then with the shape builder tool, if you remove certain things, you can still get the shape you want. So yeah, the basketball, simple yet effective. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section down below, what is your favorite sport to watch? Also, what is your favorite sport to play? Remember, as you go along in life, teach as you learn and inspire as you do. See y'all next time.